Hey, it's another exciting lesson today with Learn to Code with Ben. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to design a website using the nesting elements. It's going to be exciting and fun. We're going to apply the principles of nesting in designing a website. I need you to stick around with me as we dive into building our website. To support this channel, please click on the subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so you get notified each week when I post my new videos. And click on like and share this video to as many as possible. You ready? Stop guessing. Let's get started. In today's lesson, we are going to be talking about nesting in HTML. As you can see on the screen, this is exactly what we are going to design with our HTML. And we can see perfectly that this is a good example of nesting. You can see the ordered list 1, 2, and 3, and it has branches of unordered list, and these ordered lists have other branches of both ordered list and unordered list inside them, and further branches here. Now, how do we design a website with HTML like this? We use nesting. Now, I want you to create a folder on desktop and name it as nesting, and head over to the VS Code. I'm going to resize this, since this is the goal we are going to be using to create our page. Okay, perfect. Now, this is our VS Code editor. Inside the VS Code, you go over to your file and you click on open folder, and you select the folder that you created, which is nesting, on your desktop, and click select folder. It's going to open up here, as you can see. Now you are going to create a new file inside this folder, and we're going to simply call it nesting.html. Having done that, the first thing you do is to create your boilerplate, which we are going to write code. Press Shift and 1 to get the exclamation mark and enter. This gives us our boilerplate, and we're going to name our boilerplate as nesting. That's the title of our website. Let me make this bold. Now we are going to preview our website. Good. From this preview, we can see the page is blank. Now we are going to create our nested website. Inside the body, we will create the heading, which is the H1 tag. You press your less than and H1 and close it. Now inside this heading, I'm going to type daily activity of a developer. So this is our H1. Now we want to start by creating the ordered list first. As you can see from Go, we have ordered list 1, 2, and 3. So this will be created first. I'll simply come down and create the ordered list by using OL, signifying ordered list, and close it. And press enter. Inside the ordered list, we want to create them one after the other. List 1, the first one is morning routine. The second ordered list is work hours. And the third one is evening routine. Now we can see it's being formed exactly on our website. So these are the ordered list. Now from our goal, you notice that under the morning routine, we have branches of unordered list, and there are 4 of them. How do we create that? You come over to the morning routine in our code here. At the closing tag, you press enter and you create your unordered list, which is UL, and you close it. Then inside your unordered list, you start creating the items. The first one is you wake up. The second is exercise. The third one is you have your breakfast. And the last one there is check email. Now we've created 4 unordered lists inside the morning routine. And if you go to our goal, you can see it fits in perfectly. This is exactly what is on our website. Now, inside the ordered list 2, the work hours, we have 2 unordered lists with branches inside of them. So we create the first one, morning work session, and the ordered list inside. So to do that, head over to our code. Inside our code, we have the work hours here. So at the closing tag in the work hours, you hit enter and type in unordered list. Now inside the unordered list, we have 3 ordered lists, but we are going to create the unordered list first. The first one is morning work session, and then the second one is afternoon work session. So these are the 2 main unordered lists under work hours. Now go through our website, which is the goal again. Under the morning work section, we have 3 ordered lists which we are going to create. Now you head back to the code. Inside morning work session, at the end of the closing tag, you hit enter and you put in your ordered list. Now inside the ordered list, we have 3 of them. The first one is code review. Code review. The second is fix bug. The next one is team meeting. We've succeeded in creating our ordered list under the morning work section. Let's head over to our goal. Now you can see we've created these 3 ordered lists. Now under the afternoon work section, we have 3 ordered lists, and under ordered list 1, there is 2 unordered lists as a sub branch. So what we're going to do here, under the afternoon work session, we are going to create these 3 ordered lists first before creating this one. Now, what do we do? Head over to the code, and under afternoon work session, at the end of it, you hit enter and you create the 3 ordered lists. Ordered list, enter. Now, the first one in the list is new future development. And the second one is testing and debugging. Testing and debugging. And finally, we have the documentation. Now let's head over to what we are trying to design. We have created the three ordered lists under the afternoon work session. Now, what we're going to do under the ordered list one, new feature development, we are going to create these branches of two unordered lists. To do that, head over to your code and at the end of the closing tag of new feature development, you hit enter and you're going to type in, since it's an unordered list, you type in unordered list and enter. Inside the unordered list, the first item we have there is front-end coding. The next one is back-end coding. We have created the two unordered lists under the new feature development. So this is our website we're trying to duplicate. You can see that we have created this successfully. Now, we are going to create this unordered list under the evening routine. To do that, you head back to your code. Under the evening routine at the end of it, you hit enter and you create your unordered list. Inside the unordered list, the first item we have is wrap up work. The next item is plan tasks for tomorrow. And the next one is relax. And finally, we have, not yet, we have your dinner. And the last one is sleep. Yeah. So we succeeded in creating an ordered list under the evening routine. And if you check our Go website, you'll see that under relax, we have further branches of ordered lists, which are three in number. To create that, you go back to your code. At the end of relax, you hit enter and type ordered list. So inside, we are going to create, as we've been doing before. The first one is watch tutorial. The second one we have read text blog. And the last one on the list is play video game. That's it. So if you see our website here, we have been able to design the website according to the goal that we set earlier, which is this. So this is how we create nesting using HTML. For your practice, you are going to design a website using nesting that look exactly like this. This website has three ordered lists and it has further branches of unordered lists and ordered lists inside. Have a go with it. It's going to help you to understand the concept of nesting in HTML. I have dropped the link to this Go website in the description box and the code snippet that you can check in case you get stuck. Have a go with it and let's see what you come up with. Hey, thank you for viewing today's lesson. We've seen how to use the nesting element to build an exciting website.
In the next lesson, we're going to be discussing how to use the paragraph, the horizontal row, and the break tiles in designing websites. Stay tuned to my channel. To support this channel, hit on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Click like and share this video and share your comments and your questions and your struggles in the comment section. I'll see you in the next lesson.